This is the Monster Rack's overhead garage storage rack, and it measures 4 by 8 feet. And it's perfect for garage shelving, organization, and storage too, from bikes, equipment, accessories, boxes, and so much more. And you can also adjust it from 12 inches to 21 inches. You can also get these in other sizes as well. And having more overhead storage means less clutter on the bottom of your garage floors. And it really saves so much space. And it's really ideal, especially if you don't have a lot of space in your garage. You can utilize the space on your ceiling. And this is just great for so many things. These are also really heavy duty, and it can hold up to 500 pounds. And you can even hang things from the bottom of it. So that's really ideal too, like bikes or scooters and so much more. It also has a powder coat finish to make it durable, scratch resistant, water resistant, as well as rust resistant too. This 4 by 8 ceiling mountain rack can add an additional 64 square feet of storage. This was also very easy to assemble. We have 2 of these, and one of them I helped my husband assemble it, and the other one he did it all by himself. These are really ideal and great to use for holiday storage, antiques, and so much more. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.